So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design fake tweets, screenshots or mockups for free for fun without any software. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for tweetgen.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, now here you're gonna see this option which says tweet. Just simply tap over there and wait for it to respond. Once it gets open here, it will ask you to the multiple settings are available for you for to customize. You can change the theme, the font style, the system font, the enter font, and everything else. And you can customize the name, username, profile picture, the tweet you want, the number of retweets, likes, and everything. And once you are satisfied with your changes, just simply hit generate image and the screenshot will be saved for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.